Hello, welcome back. In this session, we are going to see how to load data from a file. So we are in HANA Studio and make sure you are in HANA Modeler Perspective. Here, the Modeler Perspective, and you will see the Quick View option here. And under the Quick View, click on the Import. And when you click on the Import, it will give a pop-up. Here, you need to select. There are multiple options. So under the SAP HANA content, select the data from local file. Select that option, click next and select the system. If you have multiple systems, you will see the multiple systems here. I have only one system. That's why it's showing only one option. So if you have development quality production, you may see multiple systems here. Select the system where you want to load the file. Then click next and select the file. So here is the file I have created. So I have a region ID, region name, division. So I'm going to make this table name as a region. So we have a region ID 1 to 9 and region name and division are nvarchar. So I saved this file in our training folder. So under the training folder, region data. Okay. So this is a XLSX file. So you can use XLSX or CSV, any file. Select the browse option, select the file what you want to load. And if it is a XLSX, then it will give option to select the worksheet. In Excel, we may have multiple worksheets. So you need to select worksheet. If it is a CSV, then the worksheet option is not like this is going to be freeze out. So select the worksheet and our file is having header. So that means this is the header, region ID, region name and division. So we have a header, so that's why we need to select header row exist, and it will ignore the number of rows from the top. So it will ignore the first row header number. So this row is going to be ignored. Only these values are going to insert into the table. Okay. So import all data, and here you need to select the schema name. So our schema name is going to be T4H, and give the table name. If you are creating a new table, then use this option. If you want to load data into existing table, then go for this option. Select this existing, then select the table. So it will give all the list of schemas, and then T4H tables, select any table like this, then click OK. So it will load the data into that particular table. So but now in this case I am going to create a table region along with loading the data. I'll create a table region and then load data from this file, region_data file. So click next. And based on the table headers, it will create a table column names, region ID, region name, division. So these are coming from the file, and it will show the data formats, how it is going to create. So region ID, I have single digit, so I'll make it integer, and nvarchar and division, region name and division in nvarchar is going to be fine for me. So if you want to make any column as a key, then select key, and when you select key, automatically not null is going to be selected. So all key fields are not null, enabled with not null, so that is mandatory. Then click next, and you will see the data preview. So even though if you see here the 9.0, so you will see the data fine. Finish. Okay, in the job log you will see imported successfully. The complete import option is completed successfully. Now let's refresh the tables, and region table is created. And let's open the region table, open content. We have region ID, region name, division with 9 sample records loaded into the table. So we loaded a table, we created a table and loaded the data by using file. So instead of writing a select statement to create a table and load data, if you want to do that from file, then you can do that. So this is one alternate option to create a table and insert data into the table. Okay, so that's all about loading data from file option. See you in the next session. Until then, happy learning. Bye.